Welcome. This video goes over how to run a queried summary records call completion report on ActuCall. This report provides data on total calls, incomplete and complete calls, total call duration, and average call duration. The tool can be used to evaluate average handle time, one of the most important KPIs for call centers to measure their productivity. Let's say you've noticed that your call center agents have been completing less calls than usual. You want to evaluate what the average handle time was last week to see if there's an opportunity to improve that stat and ultimately increase how many calls your agents can complete. Let's look at how we do that. First, for report type, select Queried. Then for record type, go to Summary Records. For report category, you're going to go to Call Completion. For aggregation, select Dialed and Terminating Pair. And for time, let's do day because we're only going to be looking at a week's worth of data. Under the report data filters, you're going to go to the report date range, and we want to look at just the 1 week of time frame last week so that we can get an idea of what our handle time was last week. We go over the report specifications. We're good, so we create the report. Now on the left, you'll see the numbers are blurred out. That's because this is live data. You'll also see the dates by day because that's what we aggregated by, and on the right-hand side, the average call duration. This gives you an idea of what your average handle time is looking like. If you want to look at the CDRs that make up any line of this data, you can just right-click and select Show CDRs. We can also sort the content. If we wanted to sort by average call duration, we could do that. And that is how you can get information on average handle time from ActuCall. Thanks for watching.